What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I am so happy and grateful that you're here. My name is Cynthia and I am currently a color consultant at Sephora, and I'm also a makeup enthusiast. I started this channel to share my love of my art with the world and to also share what I've learned in the cosmetic industry these last 5 years. I've been trained by dozens of brands as well as by Sephora to deliver the best experience to anybody looking to explore the exciting world of cosmetics. And if you subscribe to my channel, you will get this experience and you will get the scoop on all the information an insider would be getting in the cosmetic industry. I hope you subscribe and join me on this journey. Everybody's welcome on this channel, and I am committed to delivering the most high quality and informative content to all the subscribers of this channel. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I'll see you on my next video.